Hello students, I am Sandeep and you are watching Biologic Official. Every year lots of students ask me about books. They want book suggestions for variety of subtopics under zoology subjects such as endocrinology, immunology, ecology, evolution, etc. So in this vlog I am going to make topic wise book suggestions for the students of BSc MSc Zoology and also for NET Life Science aspirants. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video helpful then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon beside. So let's start. Topic wise few good books along with the name of the authors are mentioned in this list. Let's begin with the non-coded books. Biology of Invertebrates by Pechnik, Invertebrate Zoology by Rupert Fox and Barnes, Invertebrates by Braska, Moore and Schuster, Invertebrate Zoology by Meglish and Scram. Among these books, Pechnik and Rupert Barnes are very popular. In coded, The Life of Vertebrates by J. Z. Young, Vertebrates by Cardon, Vertebrate Life by Puff, Jennings and Heiser. For classification purpose, Young is a very good choice, and to study vertebrate anatomy, Cardon is recommended. The book by Puff, Jennings and Heiser is appropriate if you want to study chordates in evolutionary aspect. Next topic, ecology, and the suggested books are Ecology by Reclebs and Miller, A Primer of Ecology by Gotteli, Ecology by Peter Stilling, Elements of Ecology by Smith and Smith, Ecology by Krebs, and Ecology by Chapman and Rees. For the beginners, I will suggest the very basic book on ecology by Chapman and Rees for the development of ecological concepts. Books by Peter Stilling and Smith are also very popular. For MSc students and NET Life Science aspirants, I would like to suggest Reclebs and Miller, Krebs, and Gotteli. Biodiversity and conservation biology are closely related to ecology. So in this field, The Diversity of Life by Edward O. Wilson, Conservation Biology by Primark, and Advanced Textbook on Biodiversity by Krishnamurthy are few recommended books. Let's move on to the next topic, evolution. Strickberger's Evolution, Evolution by Mark Ridley, Evolution by Futuyama. The book by Futuyama is really tough to understand by undergraduate students. If you really want to strengthen your foundation on evolution, you need to read The Theory of Evolution by John Maynard Smith, Why Evolution is True by Jerry A. Cohen, The Magic of Reality, The Selfish Gene, River Out of Eden, Climbing Mount Improbable, The Greatest Show on Earth, The Blind Watchmaker by Richard Dawkins. Next topic, animal behavior or ethology. Animal behavior by Alcock, Principles of Animal Behavior by Dugatkin, Animal Behavior by Drickamer. The basic concepts of animal behavior is clearly stated in the book Survival Strategies by Raghavendra Gadakkar. Next topic, genetics. Genetics books are suggested by Dr. Arkodeep Mitra and Dr. Sujata De Choudhury. iGenetics, a molecular approach by Russell. Principles of Genetics by Snustad and Simmons. Concepts of Genetics by Clark and Cummings. Molecular Biology of the Gene by Watson. There is another book, Principles of Genetics by Robert H. Tamarin. In biochemistry, Leninger, Principles of Biochemistry, Biochemistry by Stryer, and Biochemistry by Voigt and Voigt. Next topic, Cell and Molecular Biology. The Cell, a molecular approach by Cooper and Hausman, Molecular Biology of the Cell by Bruce Alberts, Molecular Cell Biology by Lodish. The book by Cooper is very popular among students. There is another book entitled Cell and Molecular Biology by Gerald Karp. Next topic, immunology. Kubi Immunology, Basic Immunology by Abbas, Royet's Essential Immunology. In case of developmental biology or embryology, the books are Developmental Biology by Gilbert, Principles of Development by Woolpert. Next, Endocrinology. Endocrinology by Hadley. There is a less known but very good and basic book on this topic is Endocrine Physiology by Molina. Next, Animal Physiology books. Animal Physiology by Sherwood. Animal Physiology by Smith Nielsen. Animal Physiology by Hill. There is also a small part of human physiology in zoology syllabus. And the books are Textbook of Medical Physiology by Guyton and Hall, Ganong's Review of Medical Physiology. In case of histology, Janquider's Basic Histology, Histology by Ross and Paulina, Theory and Practice of Histological Techniques by Bancroft. Next, Parasitology, General Parasitology by Cheng, Foundations of Parasitology by Roberts, Protozoology by Richard Kudo. This book is probably not available in market. There is also a basic level book on parasitology by K.D. Chatterjee. One of the toughest parts of zoology is taxonomy, and the books are Principles of Systemic Zoology by Mayer Ashlock, Principles and Techniques of Contemporary Taxonomy by Quickie. Lots of books on biostatistics are available in market, but Biostatistical Analysis by Zar is a good one. These are few suggested books on economic zoology. Although microbiology is a separate subject altogether, but due to public demand, few popular microbiology books are suggested in this video. If you have any further query, feel free to ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.